And for what it is, it's incredibly expensive. So has Honda learned any lessons from its first EV effort?
To wheels and tyres, Tesla isn't exactly playing it safe.
Better than that because it has a significantly bigger battery pump as standard with the ENY1, so that's an optional extra on lots of other rivals.
Think your dream car is a smart investment? What if I told you some of the hottest brands and models on the market lose over half their value in just a few years? Stick around to discover the shocking truth about luxury cars, EVs, and even brands you've been told to trust. The depreciation on some of these vehicles will leave you speechless. Number 1. Vinfast VF8. Vinfast arrived on the scene with bold ambitions, positioning the VF8 as a game changer in the electric vehicle market. But has the reality lived up to the promise? As a brand still fighting for recognition outside its home country, Vinfast has struggled to build trust in regions like Europe and the US. This lack of an established reputation has been compounded by a sparse service network and persistent concerns about build quality. Owners report severe depreciation, with some claiming their vehicles lost nearly half their value in just a couple of years. Complaints also highlight unreliable software, with frequent glitches in infotainment systems leaving drivers frustrated. While the VF8's pricing seemed competitive, its rapid decline in value makes it a risky choice. Number 2. Tesla Cybertruck. The Tesla Cybertruck has dominated headlines since its reveal, but beneath the hype, questions about its practicality are starting to emerge. Production delays have pushed its release back multiple times, leaving potential buyers frustrated. Its angular, stainless steel design may look futuristic, but it's proven polarizing and adds complications. For example, repairing its body requires specialized tools and processes, leading to potentially sky-high repair costs. Tesla's history with rapid price adjustments and software-driven updates has already impacted the resale value of older models. Critics fear the Cybertruck could follow a similar pattern, losing value quickly after launch. While it promises innovation, the combination of repair challenges and resale uncertainty signals that this futuristic truck might not be the sound investment many hope for. Number 3. Fisker Ocean. The Fisker Ocean turned heads with its sleek design and eco-conscious mission, but does it hold up as a wise purchase? Fisker, as a brand, carries baggage from its earlier collapse, leaving some buyers hesitant. Entering a crowded EV market dominated by established names only adds to the uncertainty surrounding its future. One glaring issue is resale value. Early projections suggest the Ocean could lose a significant chunk of its worth within the first 3 years, making it a risky financial decision. Reliability is another concern, with some questioning whether Fisker, still reestablishing itself, can deliver on its promises. Despite its bold styling, the Ocean might struggle to ride the EV wave toward mainstream acceptance. Let's shift gears to a new EV from a trusted name in hybrids. Will it fare any better? Number 4. Honda E:*Y1. Honda has long been a symbol of reliability, but the ENY1 is testing that reputation. As Honda's first serious foray into electric vehicles, expectations were high, yet the ENY1 has been met with lukewarm reviews. Its limited range, which falls short compared to competitors like Tesla or Hyundai, and a steep price tag have left many potential buyers questioning its value. Adding to its challenges is poor market reception. The ENY1 struggles to compete in a crowded EV landscape, which has significantly impacted its resale value. Reports suggest the ENY1 is depreciating faster than Honda's traditional models. For buyers, this gamble could feel like a misstep. Could a rugged, compact SUV from another brand offer a smarter alternative? Let's find out. Number 5. Jeep Avenger. The Jeep Avenger entered the market as a compact SUV promising adventure, but its small size and limited EV range have left buyers underwhelmed. Many consumers expect rugged capability from the Jeep brand, yet the Avenger's design and performance feel more suited to urban streets than off-road trails. This has disappointed loyal Jeep enthusiasts looking for versatility in a smaller package. Adding to its challenges, The Avenger appeals to a very niche market, leading to slower resale rates. Maintenance costs have also proven higher than expected for such a compact vehicle, further driving down demand. Over time, its initial charm fades for many owners, leaving the Avenger struggling to retain value. And what about a brand trusted for reliability? Let's take a closer look. Number 6. Toyota BZ4X. Toyota's BZ4X was supposed to be a bold step into the EV market for a brand known for reliability. Instead, it's become a reminder that even trusted names can stumble. Early recalls, including loose wheel bolts and software glitches, immediately raised red flags about quality control. Buyers expecting a seamless experience were instead met with doubt. The underwhelming range only added to the frustration. Many drivers found that actual performance fell short of advertised expectations, amplifying range anxiety. Its design, aiming for futuristic appeal, has been labeled confusing and bland by critics, failing to attract consumers in a competitive EV market. These issues have hit the BZ4X's resale value hard. For a brand like Toyota, this is a surprising misstep. Could a budget favorite fare better? Number 7. Ford Fiesta. The Ford Fiesta was once the go-to choice for budget-conscious buyers, offering affordability without sacrificing reliability. But Ford's decision to discontinue the model has deeply impacted its standing in the market. Without the availability of new models, the Fiesta has lost its relevance in a competitive automotive landscape. Adding to the problem, repair costs for older Fiestas have steadily risen, creating a financial strain for owners. Once praised for its value proposition, the Fiesta now struggles to compete with newer, more advanced options that better cater to modern needs. Number 8. Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade presents itself as a compact off-roader, but its performance often falls short of expectations. Reliability issues have plagued the model, with many owners reporting mechanical problems and higher upkeep costs. These recurring concerns affect its desirability and leave buyers questioning its long-term value. In addition, depreciation has been a major drawback. Studies show the Renegade loses value faster than many competitors in the crowded compact SUV market. Part of the issue is its limited off-road capability, which doesn't live up to the rugged image Jeep is known for. For those looking for dependability or performance, many have opted for alternatives. And what happens when luxury EVs disappoint? Stay tuned. Number 9. Jaguar I-PACE. The Jaguar I-PACE debuted as a groundbreaking electric vehicle, but its trajectory has been anything but smooth. Initially celebrated for its innovative design, it now holds the title of the worst depreciating EV in the US, losing a staggering 73% of its value within 5 years. On top of that, Jaguar's service delays have frustrated owners, further eroding confidence in the brand. With the official discontinuation of the I-PACE in 2024, its resale value has plummeted, turning an innovative idea into a cautionary tale. And what about Rivian? Number 10. Rivian All Models. Rivian burst into the EV world with massive hype, promising innovation and sustainability. But as time has passed, cracks in the brand's foundation have started to show. Production delays have frustrated buyers, raising questions about the company's ability to deliver on its ambitious goals. These delays have impacted consumer confidence, especially in a market dominated by brands with proven track records. Rivian's premium pricing doesn't help. With vehicles sitting at a higher price point, they become less appealing on the used market. Not every shiny new car is a good investment. Many lose value faster than you'd expect. As we've seen, even big names and innovative models can depreciate rapidly, leaving owners with far less than they anticipated. Cars like the Jaguar I-PACE, which lost 73% of its value in just 5 years, highlight how important it is to think beyond the sticker price. Next time you're car shopping, look beyond the marketing hype and consider the long-term cost of ownership. Which car on this list surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts.